Welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to upload photos and TikTok video. Let's start. And first you have to open the TikTok app. After that, tap on the plus icon, and after that tap on 50-second or 60-second according to your choice. Then tap on the effect. After that, scroll down and try to find out this effect. Then you can upload photos. For this you have to record a video first. Just tap on here and then record it. After that choose the photo that you want to add. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, and then you guys can see it will be uploaded on your video in that way. If you want to add multiple photos with this effect, then tap on here again, tap on the effects, and after that tap on the photo. Then you guys can add multiple photos in your video. After that, tap on the check mark, then tap on next. After that you guys can post this video. In that way you guys can also upload photos and TikTok videos. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.